2021 has been a journey for BGSU. Throughout this global pandemic, we found and continue to find a way forward together. There is no greater example of our community's grit. We kept at it, and this positions us better for tomorrow.
You are graduates of a public university ready to create public good by making a difference in your career, in your family, in your alma mater, in your community, in the nation, and in the world. That is what you do. That is who we are.
Now, Fleming adjusts the three. She puts it in.
Louisville will take on Bowling Green.
Let's go!
McDonald spins backward across the goal line for a Bowling Green touchdown.
Many of the cadets here have family members who are veterans and feel grateful that they now have something to look at that will remind them of those in their families who have served.
Dr. Perry, in recognition of your extraordinary legacy of inclusion, these are the plaques that hang in Schatzel Hall.
BGSU finished the final year of this campaign at an all-time record.
It means the world to me to think that people like you care about students like me, who you may never meet or may never see succeed one day.
Your support has really raised me who I am and allowed me to really grow and flourish in college.
We are expected to see a 50% shortage of nurses worldwide. So considering these staggering statistics, BGSU is enhancing the public good with our new nursing program.
Touchdown confirmed. Perseverance safely on the surface of Mars.
Here at the Perry Fieldhouse is our first mass vaccination clinic.